guys, you're watching Gyan. My name is Gyan, and guys, in this video we're gonna discuss last 30 days strategy for your B2 exam. Yes guys, you heard it correct. If you are learning B2, if you're going through B2, if you're appearing for B2 exam, then this video is for you, because we're gonna discuss last 30 days strategy in detail, in depth. I hope you're gonna love this video. If you, in case you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a Steven, the founder of Gyan. Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation, and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with Gyan and let's get into this video. Let's go.
Last 30 days strategy for B2 German exam. The first question is, who should watch this video? So students who are preparing for B2 exam can definitely watch this video, and Goethe, TELC or OST candidates can also watch the video. If you are an Ausbildung aspirant, again this video is for you. Then job seekers planning to move to Germany and anyone struggling with B2 exam preparation, this all video is for you. In this video, you will learn that how to divide 30 days effectively to appear for the B2 level exam. We'll discuss here weekly study plan, that is 4-week plan. Then we'll learn about reading strategies, how you can improve your listening, how you can structure your writing, and how confidently you can speak. We are also going to discuss common mistakes which students make and how you can learn 2 to 3 hours in a day. So we will divide this 30 days into 4 phases. Week 1 will be your foundation and weak areas. Week 2 will be your intensive practice. Week 3 will be exam simulation, and 4th week will be speaking and polishing. So let's talk about week 1, means the very first 7 days of your month, where we will analyze and strengthen basics. The goal for the first week is to fix weak areas. Step 1 is take one full mock test and don't guess, just know your level. Check your reading scores, listening scores, writing mistakes and speaking fluency. Then step 2 is revise key grammars, especially focus on connective SY, then passive voice, relative clause, connectors and adjective endings. And remember, you do not have to learn any new grammar. Then week 2, that is your 8th day to 14th day. Here we will talk about intensive skill practice. The goal for second week is to improve speed and accuracy. For the reading module, that is the lesson part, practice time management, learn how to eliminate wrong answer, because elimination is the method which helps. Then don't translate everything in your reading exam. Then talk about the hearing. So try to listen daily at least 20 to 30 minutes. You can try different audios, for example podcasts, Nachrichten or interviews. And remember, here the goal is to train your ears for speed. Then for writing module, that is the Schreiben, start practicing complaint letters, opinion essay and formal emails. And please take care of the structure, because structure matters more than fancy. Then the planning for week 3 is full exam simulation. The goal for third week is to train under pressure. That means try to do at least 2 to 3 complete mock tests in the real time. That means you don't have to use any phone, there should be no break, and it should be in real exam condition. After the test, you can analyze your mistakes, you can write vocabulary notebooks and repeat difficult listening parts. This week's build confidence. 4th week is for speaking and polishing. That means how you can work on your speaking strategies. For the week 4, the goal is fluency and confidence. And for the speaking strategy, start practicing for expressing your opinion. How do you agree and disagree with the person? How do you give an example? And how do we make suggestions? Then record yourself, and if possible, practice with partner on the daily basis. That's the only way to start speaking and with fluency. Let's talk about the common mistakes which students usually do in the last 30 days. The first thing is that they start learning new vocabulary which is of no use at this time. Second is memorizing essays. So instead of memorizing, you can just work on your phrases. Then ignoring speaking session. If you ignore speaking, then in the exam you won't be able to speak anything. Then overstudying one section only. Remember, you have to give equal time to all the 4 modules. working on for the one particular module doesn't let you pass the exam, and studying 8 hours one day and the next day you are not even touching your books. So that is also the mistake which students do.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you loved it. Thank you so much for showering lots of love to all the videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German, the German Gyan. Take care.